Hey folks, how you doing there? We're doing a video today. We're doing some boiler making today. Some rigging, a lot of rigging and fabrication, putting back. But I'm gonna show y'all something here for the future, okay? All right, let's go look at what we got. All right. 7 years ago, I put up my Selkirk stack, as y'all can see. All right, the sidewall mount, as you can see here. Well, I got it taken apart where the clean out is, where my bracket and everything is. Let me see here. All right, I got my bracket's great, everything's fine. But over time, the wall support, okay? The wall support, let me get you in here. That's sort of rusting, big time. It's not bad, but see it where it's separating? Yeah, it's galvanized. And when you see rust, you're like, uh-oh. But here's the bottom side. You can really tell it from the bottom side. Water runs down the pipe. Then you got your hot flue gas, and after a while, it just rusts out. And I've been painting it over the years. But like I say, it's only so much you can do. Okay. But the people from Selkirk, called Selkirk Chimney Pipes, got a lifetime warranty. There was no questions asked. It's more trouble just doing the rigging. But, and I'll show you what I got. But yeah, I got that out from a wall support. So we're gonna go back with new stuff. Here's the new piece right here. And that's how it's made. I guess water gets trapped up in there, and I'm gonna fix that problem. I'm gonna put some anti-seize in there. And what I mean by anti-seize, let's see here. This piece right here sits right on top, so your clean out can go on the bottom. All right, and that's stainless. That's stainless right here. This is galvanized. All right. Let me show you my anti-seize. Oh, there's Sean, my contractor. What's the name of your company, Sean?
ASD Enterprise.
ASD Enterprise. You want one of the best contractors in the business to give me a hand with this. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you this anti-seize. We're gonna put that on there because see, galvanized paint, I can't get any grooves and nitty gritty grooves and all that good stuff with it. So I'm using MMC77 copper base anti-seize compound. It's good for 2100 degrees. Well, it says, I'll put you a link on there below. But yeah, it says 2100 degrees, so that'll last a long time. All right, we'll be back in a second. Okay, y'all. Here is my support. Let me go here. Okay, maybe that might not come out right, but I took 2x4s and I put it down here on the ground and put a base there, because this is hold up about 150 to 200 pounds. This stack is, and it's V'd, as y'all can see here. My screws are going in there. That way I fit the contour of the pipe. And up underneath of here is how I got it built. The stand to keep the pipe from going anywhere. Okay. And I got ratchet straps with rubber. It's a bowl making trick. Just all your pinch points plus the rubber so the pipe wouldn't slide on the rubber. I mean, it's really not going to go anywhere because it's a T, but I don't want to take any chances. I want to keep the weight on this load-bearing column right here that I made. I'll take you up for a closer look. The pipe's in really good shape. Everything's in good shape. That's how I got it done. And that's 2 thicknesses of 2x4s. I got rubber right here, EPDM rubber. And I use a strip of wood on each side to support it. There we go. So I'm going back with the old and putting back the new. And here's my bracket. After all these years, since 2013. All right. So let's get to work. Yeah, I had to share that with y'all. And there it is from underneath. Let's go over here. Come down the ladder. Like I said, same thing over here. Support. So anybody out there need help in the future? If you got the wall mount support plate rusting out, Selkirk / Supervent, American Metals, I think the name. But I called the toll-free number and they gave me help, and they gave me to a guy named Price. And it was super helpful. Oh my gosh, it says lifetime warranty, or limited lifetime warranty. And he sent me out 2 new pieces like it wasn't nothing. It was here within, I think 4 or 5 days was here. So yes, I'm just telling you how good a company it is, and they'll help you out any way, shape, or form. All right, we'll be back shortly. Okay, folks, how you doing? We're back. We got the anti-seize. It's an MMC 77, and like I say, it's good for 2100 degrees. Anti-seize sealing, lubricating compound, protects against corrosion, extreme heat, and pressure and corrosion. As you see, I got it all up in there, and y'all, you don't want to get any of the stuff on you, because wear gloves, because it will not. You get a little bit everywhere. It's everywhere. But I got underneath the rim right there. So when it gets hot, it'll seep into the grooves, and all inside there. And that's where some of the rust came from over the years. But hey, it is what it is. It's good stuff. But it was gonna use galvanized paint, but you can't beat high heat anti-seize. So anyway, and now I'm getting ready to take the old one off and put the new one on. All right. So we'll be back shortly. All right, folks, this is a MMC 77. That is good stuff. I'm gonna take it out and let you look at it. But we use these in the trade over the years for the Boilermakers, at the oil refineries, and everything. Every nut and bolt you take loose, you put back with anti-seize. And this is copper. The copper anti-seize. That makes zinc, silver, and let's see, nickel, but this is copper. So it, like I say, you get a little bit of onions everywhere, but that's the good stuff right there. It's not cheap, but like I say, it gets on your fingers pretty quick, but it's good stuff. But I put it on my connections, boats, your wheels on your vehicles or your lawnmower blades. Put a little bit of anti-seize, or yeah, anti-seize. Some people call it never seize, but that's good stuff, y'all. All right, just a little something to show you all that. I got that put together, and we're getting ready to go up in the air with it. All right, we'll be back shortly. And like I say, I got everything sealed, and it's the sidewall support. I'll take you over here. That's what it looks like underneath. It's what the supported. That gets another piece up underneath. All right, we'll be back shortly. Okay, folks, we got her all installed. The new plate is up on top of there. And there's my anti-seize. Sandwiched in between there, nice and good, and it'll be there forever. I mean, it'll be a long time. It's high heat, 2100 degrees, and plus it'll deter water from it. So here's underneath, top, bottom and up in the stack. Way up there. She's clean as a whistle, y'all. This is a new piece coming through. So we're getting ready to install the cap. Alright. So we'll be back in a second. Alright. Here she is. That's my rigging. Alright folks. This is what we got for instructions for wall mount, wall support, AWS. And it shows it right here. This is the US installation instructions, Selkirk. And also comes with the Canadian installation instructions, warranty, and maintenance guide, Selkirk. And they gave me these wall support pieces, which was great. And everything else you saw that I installed right here. The chimney cap base come in there, and the clean out base and the other base to go on wall mount, which is that piece. And then also got the clean out. And there's my rig that I use, my support, my structural support, structural load support beam. There she is. Oh, I did the job. And the rubber, I mean, it flexes and it seals right there and holds the stuff together. And I will show you outside the finished product. Here we go. There she is. And that's an insulated cap. That's our different newer products, so that's gonna be awesome. But it's all done. Everything's secured. So yeah, it's looking good. Back up, make sure you get a good look at it. But it's good as new. There we go. And yeah, I'm happy the way it turned out. Whew, I was sweating it. So anyway, just wanted y'all to see that and how we did it. So if you ever got to replace your top plate or the side support without taking the whole chimney stack down and all, if you know what I mean. But yeah, they did a good job. It's good stuff, lifetime warranty. But anyway, yeah, but it's a beautiful day to get a lot of work done. Yeah, beautiful day to get a lot of work done. And there she is behind me. Woohoo! Let's see. Okay, can't zoom. But hey, anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. If y'all have any questions, comments, please give me a holler. All right. Thank y'all for watching. God bless and Semper Fi. Hoorah. Y'all have a good one now. Hey, everything's gonna be all right, y'all. Just hang in there. Everything's gonna be all right. Y'all take care now. Bye bye. Thank y'all for watching.